Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. What's going on with your shoulder?
Shoulder injury.
How long has it been going on? 4 weeks. How did you injure your shoulder?
I fell off a ladder.
Did you land on your shoulder? How much pain?
About a 7.
7 out of 10. And is that like constant or just happen when you stuff
Constant
and go away? What's difficult for you now?
range of motion.
In the arm, lifting. Try the range of motion. What's difficult is just to bring it up. Any problem with that?
No, from this one.
That's painful on the right side. Where do you feel the pain? How much from 0 to 10?
Oh, right.
What kind of treatment you had?
Nothing.
You've been having this for a month now, and your MRI shows that you have minor tear in your biceps. Do you lose conscious or anything? Make sure what I'm doing is okay to put some marks. But prior to that accident, you did not have any issue, did you?
No.
Oh yeah, because they transfer you to me. Okay. I'll find Dr. Richard. And what insurance do you have? For follow-up?
That's good. You feel tightness here? Is it painful? How does it feel now?
Do you have the referral number? Date of birth? Probably not.
Alright, so let's see your range of motion. How's that? You're going further now. Where you feel tightness? Can you go all the way up?
It's tight here.
It's tight there. Where do you feel the tightness?
Around here and on the forearm right here.
The forearm?
Yeah.
Here, yeah? You feel this tightness? I feel it. Okay, so just take my word, okay? It's tight. It's too much. So you've been like limited range of motion since that happened.
Yeah.
Alright, try it again. Tell me how that feels.
Sorry.
Discomfort?
Less pain. Less discomfort. Pain.
What do you think about the treatment? Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.